What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to transfer everything from S25 or Ultra to the S26 family. So let's get started. The first thing of course is to turn on the S26 device. Click start. Agree to the terms and conditions and privacy policy, and on this screen it gives us a few options. We'll tap the top one. Then in your current phone, open the camera app and scan this QR code. It will show a link to tap. Next, it will ask you to put in the PIN of your old phone. Then is to connect to the Wi-Fi. We'll do that. It's best if both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi to speed up the process. Next, depending on your SIM provider, you may need to restart your new device. Then put in your old PIN again and continue the process. The good thing about this is that both your Samsung and Google accounts will log in to the new phone automatically. Then is the data. To transfer it, click next. We can transfer the whole data or just the things we want. Click agree. Now tap allow to access permissions. We can do it wirelessly or with a wire. Both will get us there, so I will pick the wireless option. Let it scan and you'll see this screen. We can copy everything and it will show the total time. You can just copy the essentials or tap custom to choose what to copy. You have full control here. If you want to pick the specific apps to copy, you can pick them. If you want to transfer the specific images or videos, you have that option as well. I will tap transfer. I have the Galaxy Watch, so these steps are additional. Lastly, it says that we can't transfer the WhatsApp data. You'll need to do that from WhatsApp. Next are biometrics. I'll quickly register my fingerprints and follow these steps. Then is the backup. Let's enable that as well. Now I must tell you that the transfer is happening in the background. We just can't see the progress as the setup is not done. I will keep following these steps as there are quite a few. Let's go to home. Now we'll be able to see the progress in the notification panel. It shows the remaining time as well. Now we wait and wait. After the data transfer is complete, you'll see the notification. We'll see our data populating. Some stuff needs a bit of time, such as app updates and data organizing, but you will not need your previous phone for that. Anyway, this is it for this video. Thanks for watching it. Take care.